Make sure you watch until the end to see how you can win free gear and products. Hey, this is PJ with CLK Supplies, and I am super excited to share with you our latest tool. Now, at least in my opinion, this is the most exciting lock rekeying tool that I've seen in the past, 10, 20 years, maybe ever, okay? I love this thing, and I'm so excited to share it with you. We call the tool the Mullet because it is a plug follower in the front and a cylinder cap removal tool in the rear. Come on, you have to admit, that is awesome. 2 tools put in one to give you max efficiency, and it has a really cool name. But I'll let you be the judge. Now the Mullet can replace your standard plug follower, like this one, and it can also replace your cylinder cap removal tool like this one. Now this one's made out of pot metal, and the Mullet here is made out of aluminum, so it's gonna last much longer. Let me show you how the Mullet works. And you'll notice when I'm doing this, one of the best parts about this tool is that it's a 2-in-1, right? So we're gonna take off the cylinder cap here on the back, and then we're gonna use the same tool here, the Mullet, to use it as a plug follower to get this cylinder out to rekey it. Let me show you how it works here. Now, if you notice, I put it right over here. You might be wondering if it's hollow down here, and it sure is. So it's hollow all the way back to about right here towards the end. So really any sort of length of tailpiece that you're gonna come into contact with, this should have no problem doing that. So I'll go ahead and put it right here on the back, and we'll put it on and untwist it. Okay, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead here, and I'm gonna set this pin and spring off to the side so we know where they are here in a moment. Put the key in, grab the Mullet again, and use it as a plug follower, just like that. I'll go ahead and put this back together here. All right, grab the little spring, the pin, put this back on. I like to put it on, give it a little twist to get it started. Grab the Mullet, put it on here, twist it back on. There we go, just like that. Now we're good to go. Now, you notice when I was doing that here on the end of this plug follower on the Mullet here, you're gonna see this cutout. Now, this cutout, let me move this a little bit. It's hard to see with the mat there. There you go. See this cutout right here, all right? That's so if you need to rekey cylinders like this mortise cylinder, that the back where the tailpiece sticks to, it sticks out a little bit. That way you'll easily be able to put it over just like that and still rekey it. All right, so that's the Mullet. Are you all about business in the front and a party in the back? If so, this just might be the tool for you. Guys, I'd love to know your thoughts on this tool. I think it's super awesome. In the comments below, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Since you just watched this video, I'm guessing that you work with locks and keys. And to us at CLK Supplies, that makes you a lock boss. And we wanna hook you up. Here's how it works. Throughout the week, join the conversation and comment on our posts and videos and include the hashtag LockBoss. It's free to enter this giveaway. And every Tuesday, we're gonna pick 5 winners from the previous week and hook you up with all sorts of prizes, including gear, tools, supplies. We might even send you a key machine or buy you lunch. So if you're a lock boss, join us every week to learn, grow, and win.